Welcome to Shop Night, where I make a gift for a deserving person in our community in 1 or 2 evenings. I'm Mike Fine, also known as Bohemond with bootsbybohemond.com. It's mid-April 2020, and one of the things I miss most during the shutdown is having friends over for Shop Night. It's where we all work on projects, often using scrap from around the shop. It's affectionately known as a hammer and yammer or a beers and bruising, and we make fun and often sloppy projects that add to our game. So in future episodes, I'll be joined by other artisans and known associates. Let me know if you want to be part of a future Shop Night. In this episode of Shop Nights, I am making Knight's belts for Sir Bryce de Byram and for Gui Avec Chival. So for Bryce and Gui, for all you do, this Shop Night's for you. The materials for the project is this 10 to 12 ounce alum tanned white leather, because we're going to make a Knight's belt. A buckle from your favorite vendor. I suggest you go to Raymond's Quiet Press at rqpltd.com. Sheet brass left over from knife projects. And by the way, the brass is 22 gauge for this project. And that's all the materials we need. Okay. So this is a jig I made. It's 1 inch by 1 inch. And the holes that you see marked are to line up. So these holes will be used for my 9/32, which is the largest punch my Whitney came with. And it's going to punch these into a quatrefoil. And then these holes on the edge of the jig are going to be cut at my rivet size. All right, so my buckle is 1 3/8. So that will be the leather size. And will also be the size of metal that I'm now going to mark out to make a nice little decorative placard that comes off the buckle. Hey, you made it to the end. Discover why Guy and Bryce are so awesome in the description below. If you'd like to see more episodes or be a guest on Shop Night, please let me know.